Hi, I'm Blair McHenry with AgOrganic Products. I'd like to talk to you today about some of the problems that are happening in the certified organic fertilizer field. And we, with AgOrganic Products, are very committed to developing a whole line of certified organic products for both home use and but for commercial growers as well. And with this, there's been just a huge surge in interest in certified organic vegetable production. The consumer has really recognized the benefit of having product on the shelf that's been grown without chemical fertilizers, chemical herbicides and pesticides, and there's been just a growing awareness of the impact that these chemicals are having on our environment and the problems and in some cases the devastation it's creating to the human body. And so as a result, organic vegetable sales have grown, and there's been a real rush of the big companies to try to get into certified organic vegetable production. And in that process, the certified organic vegetable production is really an area that has not been well studied for probably the last 50 or 60 years, since probably World War II. And that reason is that after World War II, a lot of the companies that were involved in producing explosives and other munitions for the war effort transitioned and were utilizing the same kinds of chemicals used in explosives for development of fertilizer. And so the whole industry kind of shifted from what we would call a more natural organic approach to agriculture to a chemical approach to things. And just because they could synthesize nitrogen and artificially, without utilizing organic sources, they were able to produce it cheaply and inexpensively. It seemed to be a quick solution. They seemed to get quick and fast growth. And so really there has not been large commercial industrial agriculture just has not been really connected to how do we develop a truly organic approach to our soils. And so now with this resurgent of a desire to grow organic product, there's just been a scramble to find, well, what do we fertilize these plants with? Their industry has been moved by the premium they're getting on the organic product. But other people have seen the opportunity to provide fertility inputs to the organic market, and greed has overtaken the, I guess, integrity and the philosophy that should be behind organic products. And as a result, there have been numerous products that have been exposed over the last few years that have just been found to be fraudulent and have not been compliant with organic standards. I just wanted to read an article here that came out of the Bellingham Herald, dated January 3, 2009. It's on their business page. And the title of this article says it's synthetic fertilizer sold to organic farms and in the state of California. And it just comments here that's stated to be, the article was written out of Sacramento, California. It says, for up to 7 years, the California liquid fertilizer sold what seemed to be an organic farmer's dream, brewed from fish and chicken feathers. The company's fertilizer was effective, inexpensive, and approved for organic regulators. By 2006, it held as much as 1/3 of the market of California. But state investigators caught the Salinas, California area company spiking the product with ammonium sulfate, a synthetic fertilizer banned from organic farms.